In this demonstration, the left hip is the involved side that underwent total hip replacement. Square up the chair by taking baby steps around, do not pivot. Back up to the chair and feel the chair with the back of your legs. Put the involved leg out slightly and reach back for the chair. Always sit in a chair that has an armrest. Sit on the front edge of the chair, then scoot back. Again, do not bend your hip past 90 degrees when sitting, so it is very important to keep your back straight and do not lean forward. To go to standing, reverse the process. Here it is again, this time with a four-wheeled walker. If you have had a posterior total hip replacement, bending the hip past 90 degrees is one of your hip precautions and should be avoided. The chair without armrest and the stool should be avoided. So we can continue to make these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.